This question is maximum compatibility score sum, so you can read through it. So whatever you got, your student array should be the same as your mentor, or almost the same, to get a higher score, because you want to return maximum score, right? So I'm going to use the example 1, and it should be straightforward enough. So this is 110, and then if you look at this, oh, this is 110, right? So they are matched. So every single value over here are matched. So you got a score of 3. I'm going to skip this one because there's no mentor is 101, but there's mentor is 001, right? So I'm consider score 3 because every element are the same. So this one will definitely match with this one for the last one, and 101, and this is 100, and only 2 elements are the same, so it's score of 2. So if you add, it's gonna be 3 plus 2 plus 3, right? So it's 8. So in this question, you are definitely going to use DFS and backtrack. So you're going to traverse all of the possibility, right? And to see, oh, which one is going to be the maximum. So once you match, the rest of them should try for others, right? Something like this, right? So let's look at this. So if this one, we'll definitely select one of them, right? So it's going to be n possibility, right? How about this? If this one is selected, right, that only 2, which is n-1 possibility, and this is going to be n-2, and then and so on until 1, right? So it's going to be n factorial, right? So it's going to be n factorial combination, but this doesn't mean there are the times complexity is n factorial. So let's talk about how we do it. So we need to record the result, right? And also we need to know which one did we visit, right? So our visit is going to be represent the size of s star length. So we're talking about student, right? And result will be 0. So I'm going to use a DFS. So I'm passing the students. I'm passing the index for student. I'm passing the mentors. I'm passing the mentor index. And then I'm going to return the result, right? So public void DFS, and then int students, and in s index. All right, into the array mentor in m. All right. Anyway, doesn't matter. All right. If the s, so we started from 0, right? If the index is actually reach the student array, it's going to be what? It's going to be the last one, right? So it's going to be a result equal to max on max. It's either this one, and this shouldn't be the n, because my mentor, I'm traversing the mentor in the DFS, so this should be the score. I have typo, and also I say wrong, so I have to compare either result or score, right? And I want to return right away because this is the last index. All right, let's look at this. So I traversing from all the way from 0. Doesn't matter is which index we have been using, but start from 0 and all the way to mentor sub.length and I plus plus. So I'm explaining this again. S index represents student, I index represent mentor. So you will definitely match, right? So if my mentor index has been visited, right? Visit at I has been visited. We don't want to reusing, so we'll continue. And now there's something that we didn't use, so we just make sure we assign equal to true. And also for the backtrack, we assign equal to false. But before we backtrack, we need to call DFS. So student is going to be here, right? And then S is going to be represent S plus 1, right? And then our mentor does not change, and our current score will plus the score between what? The student array and the mentor array. So what is the student array? It's going to be represent what? Student as S, right? And then I need to add, oh, come on. So I need to say get score using two, argument as an input. So I need to pass in the mentor, say I, and also students. So yeah, this will be it. So I'm going to say public int get score between the student array, student, and also the mentor array, right? So in this one, I'm just comparing, right? And now we'll return result. So how do I compare something from the beginning all the way to the end? And then result plus equal if they are the same, right? Student AI equal to mentor AI. And if they are the same, plus equal 1, else 0. So this will be the solution. Hopefully I don't have any typo. Students. And S, where is my S? Oh, S is represent index. Student.length. And S is the index. Yeah, this would be it. Oh, student. Alright. Okay, cool. So again, this question is a little bit challenge. So let's think about time and space. So again, we talk about the n factorial, right? So n factorial we matching, but we have a for loop, right? So it's going to be n factorial times all of m, right? All of m for the mentor, right? You always traverse your mentor starting from the beginning to match your student subarray, right? So all of maybe it would be better if I just copy paste. Right. So this is my time and space complexity. So it's going to be all of n factorial times m. N represent length of string s, student, and represent length of mentors, and all of n represent the student, right? This is the time and space. All right, so if a solution are different than mine and better explanation on the complexity, let me know, and I'll see you later. Bye.